This is Oakley, and she is 5 years old, and we are working on teaching her how to use our Pet Chime doorbell. She is not naturally using her paws like some dogs. She's an older dog, and she's had some previous training that was rather harsh, and I don't think really helped her develop her problem solving and thinking skills. So right now she's having to learn how to think and offer me a behavior that maybe she's not sure about. She's already done a little bit of this, so she's getting the hang of it. Since I couldn't get her to scratch the Pet Chime on her own, I'm using a piece of Tupperware, and I'm going to put a couple pieces of food under there. And idea is to frustrate her into touching it with her paw to scratch it. Good girl! And then I lift it up and she can have her treats. So we've done that many times. Now she's offering it pretty willingly. Good girl. Before she was just using her nose or getting frustrated and laying down and not willing to continue with the game because she would get frustrated. After I do it a few times with the treat underneath, then we don't load it. We'll see if she'll give it to us again. Good girl. And then I just go ahead and give it to her. Good job. And then we take away the Tupperware and we exchange it for our Pet Chime. And we see if she goes ahead and scratches that. We don't have this on cue yet. Good job. I'm just rewarding behavior. I'm not telling her to do anything. I'm letting her think about it and seeing what works. Right? So we'll see if she goes back and does it again. She likes to stare at my hand if I have food or try to get into my training pouch and steal. She's thinking about it. Oh, scratched me. That doesn't work. We don't want dogs to scratch us. Try again. So if I have to, I'll kind of tap it a little bit, get her attention on that object. Good girl. Good job. And I don't care if it activates the sound at this point. Good. That was a better hit. I'm just going to reward any scratching or touching of the Pet Chime with her paw. Nice job. Yes. And right now she's laying down, but we'll also practice this where she's standing up, moving to it. But she was getting frustrated and laying down because that's something she knows well. So I just kind of was going with it here. Good girl. Nice job, Oakley. Good. And we'll move it, and we'll let her get up and go over to it maybe. Put a little distance there. See if she figures out she's got to go over there. The game has stopped. It doesn't work if she's touching me. And again, we can tap that if we want. There we go. Get her up. Nice job. Good girl, Oakley. Good girl. Nice. There it is. Alright, so I think we got this, and now we'll put it on cue. I'm getting her doing it on a command. Right now she's just doing it as she wants to get her treat. Good job.